are you all? So today our second phase of polar region, second part. Okay, second part in the polar region, lesson number 4. What is polar region? Where it lies? This is all we learned already, isn't it? Polar regions. These are the visit zones and polar regions. North Pole and South Pole. North Pole and South Pole. Okay, these are the polar regions. This is 0° equator. So we have 7 continents. You all know that. What are that continents? Asia, Africa, isn't it? Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia, and Antarctica. So we can call this Antarctica is also as white continent because it is completely covered with the snow. Okay, and these are all, we have some everywhere in this continent we have human habitation. People are living with all the comforts and everything. But in Antarctica zone, these are the people, very few people, because it is completely covered with the ice. It is not suitable for human habitation. Okay, even though man is such a creature that a man can live anywhere, he can survive in anywhere, even in the polar regions, even in the very hot zones, regions, desert areas, everywhere. So such a creature, man is such a creature, wonderful creature, he can survive in anywhere with his resources, whatever resources we have. Like that, even Antarctica also, it is called as white continent. I already said these how the people are, who are the people there and what they are doing, and these are all we learned in the previous class, isn't it? So now we are talking about the Eskimos. Who are they? The Eskimos, who are living in the polar regions like Greenland, Alaska, Leyland, okay, Finland, Sweden. In these areas, the Greenland, you all know that Greenland, this is apart from all the continents, but it belongs to Denmark. Okay, that Greenland is completely, it's the biggest island in the world. Biggest island in the world is Greenland. Okay, so those who are staying in these polar regions, those people are called Eskimos. So very interesting. You see, in everywhere, Asia, if you take Europe, different lifestyle will be there for everyone, but almost it will be similar to continent. But the thing is here, in this polar region, the people are completely, they are very aloof from the other world, rest of the world, and their habits are different, their lifestyle is different, their attire is different, everything is different, isn't it? So why such a difference? And it's very interesting, we should know about them, isn't it? So first, those people are called Eskimos. So the Eskimos will learn in this chapter about what they eat, what they wear dresses and how they live, and who are these Eskimos, how they are look like. So all these things, and what are their creations, what are these their religion. So everything we should know about the food style and what is their language, and what are their habits, religion, recreation, okay, house, shelter, where they will live, okay, shelter, and these are all very interesting things about the Eskimos. So what is their food? First we see. See, we have fruits, vegetables, and we eat all the different types of food, fast foods and everything, cooked food. Generally we eat cooked food. But these people, from the beginning, many people are migrated from different places, and these Eskimos, how they look like, they also look like us, but they are very short and brownish hair, and they are very sensible and lovable persons. They are very good people, the Eskimos, and they are what is their food. So generally people wherever they are living, according to their resources only people used to live there, isn't it? Like that, even these people also, what is their food? First of all, how they eat? They will be eating raw food in olden days. Still now, just a little change is there, and raw food, that is also meat, fish meat, and most of that. Then, what is their profession is hunting and fishing. What is their profession? Hunting and fishing. Because there is no other alternative for them, isn't it? So whatever resources in the island, it is completely covered with ice. No vegetation, no plants, and no other things. So what is the only available food there? The fish and some animals are there. Those animals like polar bear, penguin, okay, caribou, such birds and animals are living along with these people. So they need generally hunting and fishing is their profession, and they will eat raw food because it is completely, they cannot make a fire and all, isn't it? Nowadays the people slowly changing, but their food style from the beginning it is like that. Okay, and next is Eskimos are, there are two groups. They are all two groups. What are the groups? Units, Yupiks. Units, Yupik. These are the two groups of Eskimos. Unit means people. Unit means people. Okay. And let us know about the what they eat and how they live and what are their recreation, what is their occupation, that we'll learn. Occupation is hunting and fishing and hunting the animals. How they will hunt the animals? They will have a big harpoon like instrument. One instrument is called harpoon. So with that harpoon, that is the instrument called harpoon, that will be a sharp edge, will be like this, and it will have a sharp edge, and with that sharp edge they will be pierced into the sea or pierced into the surface of the earth. And if they pierce, they will get fish or something, they will catch it. So that is about the instrument what they use for hunting, that is called harpoons. And not only that, they will be sometimes they will be going into the different places in the sea, deep into the sea, and they will catch all the big whales also. But a big whale is biggest animal. Whale is a sea animal, is very biggest animal in the sea is there. So they can't, one or two cannot go there. So group of people will be going there and they will be using other instruments along with the harpoons, and they will be killing that whale, and everybody will do a teamwork. Wherever they go, they will be going in a group and they will be doing all their things. Hunting and fishing is their occupation. And what is their language? Their language is, they will be speaking a different language, and also when they are going to the seas, they will have some boats. The boat name is kayak. What is that? The boat name is kayak. And kayaks and unik. Kayak and unik. Kayak and unik, there are two boats. They will be making with the sea. They will be making with the caribous and all. They will use that skin of the caribou. They will be using. In some places, what is their shelter? It is very interesting. The shelter is, they will be using igloo. Their house name is called igloo. You might have seen in the pictures. Even in the 5th class also you have igloo lesson, isn't it? So in that igloo, how they will construct that igloo? Because we have cement and everything to construct the igloo, our houses, cement, concrete, etc., sand and all. But they have only ice. Other than ice, they will not have any other sources to build the houses. So in that house only, they will make some ice blocks. They will make some ice as blocks, and they will be using what do you call? They will be making some igloos. Those igloos, it's a domed shape of house, and they will be here. There is a small entrance in that. They will be going to that. That is also ice. And sometimes, if the where the ice is not there, there in the rainy winter season, they will be using igloos, and in the summer season they will be using tents. So such tents are using with the whale or caribou's skin. With that skin they will make sometimes, you know, tent, no? The marriages and all will have tents. So such tents they will be using for in the summer season. That is their shelter. Okay. And kayaks and uniques are, kayak is a small boat. What is meant by kayak? Kayak is a small boat. That small boat, they will be using that small boat going into the sea, and there they will be catching the fishes. So that is one thing. Okay, and hunting. Sometimes a teamwork, people all 15 to 20 members, they will be going into the sea and they will catch all whale and all. First they will they will pierce the eyes of the whale with the harpoon, then they will start remaining thing. So like that they will have a different. And not only that, other than penguin, polar bear and fishes and all, they will have some animals also, like wolves, squirrels, caribous, etc. are also there. Sometimes they will hunt that also. Let us know their language. Then, and after language, let us come to the dress. What is their dress? They wear, in the winter season, they wear polar bear's, polar bear fur. Even there, in the polar region, the animals also will have a thick fur and thick blubber will be there. Blubber or fur will be there. For seal, animal seal is there, no? For seal, they will have a very much thick skin, that is called a blubber. And even for polar bear, they have a very thick fur. Fur will be there, no? Even that fur also, these fur only they will be using as coats. And also that is for whole body. And for boots also they will use some caribou skin and all for boots, for shoes. Okay. And the winter they will have a different attire, and summer they will have a different attire. Because winter to protect their body with this polar bear's fur and all. Polar bear, wolf, for their fur they will be using this. And in the summer season they use that caribou's skin and all, they will peel off it and they will make a jackets and hooks. So these are the like that they will be survived with their attire. Next, after, and they are called parkas. Whatever they are wearing, those dresses are called parkas. Parkas means their dress. And after wearing parkas, they also wear long boots from here knees to down, and to protect from cold or chill. Okay, in that climate. Next, let us know their religion. What is their religion? Their religion, we have some religion, no, Muslim, Christian, like that. What their religion is, they love to worship the elements of spirits. They love to worship the elements of spirits. Spirits, you know, Atma, that they believe that after life, after death also they have one more life. So that's why the elements of spirits they will be believing. And next is the creation. We'll have the creation like that. In the same way they have Arpun. We have so many creations now, singing, dancing, everything like for us. Like that for them also, wrestling is there and harpoon throwing is there. Okay. And they will be having such activities like dance and all with the musical instruments. And they will be engaging themselves in their birth or death ceremonies also. They will be using such religious activities. Okay. So I want to give a homework, that is you have to make, I will show you here. Can I show it here? You'll have to make a model of igloo, kayak, boats, kayak boat. Okay. Make a model means only diagram, that's it, not a model. Okay. Make a model of igloo and kayak boats. This is the homework. Kayak and harpoon, kayak boat and harpoon. What is harpoon? Harpoon is to kill the animals. That is an instrument to the polar people. Okay. I hope everyone understood, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.